If at all I have to live my life with just one skincare product, it would be Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've come here to talk about my most favorite skincare product with you guys. What do I say about this product, guys? It's pure romance. This product is my holy grail. I cannot do without it. I just cannot do without it. And I've been using it for almost a year now, and I cannot do without it. Before I just go on and on and on about it, let me quickly tell you what the product is. Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I'm sure a lot of you already know about it, but for those who do not, I'm here just for that, just to tell you everything about it. But before we do that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead, subscribe to my channel right away, and do not forget to hit that bell icon, because you guys do not want to miss out on anything. Now without any further delay, let me quickly take you to the video. Okay guys, so Laneige is a Korean beauty brand which focuses on hydration so much. So if you are somebody who loves hydration, this brand is the answer to all your questions. So guys, this is an intensive moisturizing and revitalizing overnight sleeping mask, which means you apply it in the night before sleeping and you just let it be. And when you wake up in the morning, you see the clearer, brighter and well-rested skin. So the reason why this mask is so good is because it has the Sleep Tox technology, which purifies your skin for healthy, dewy complexion. So guys, it's a very thin water-like texture, and when you apply it on your skin, it gives you very breathable layer of moisture. The fragrance is also not too strong. It's very natural and very mild. And be assured that when you have applied it in the night, it will also not transfer, it will not stain your linen. The layer of moisture really stays on your face, okay? So this mask is to be applied 2 or 3 times in the week, in the night of course, depending on the requirement of your skin. And this mask is for all skin types, so do not worry. Irrespective of your skin type, you can definitely use it. If you are somebody who has extremely dry skin, you can apply a little more of it. If you are oily skin, you can just balance it out depending on the requirement of your skin. Guys, I don't think I have anything more to really say about this product. This product is just hydration and a lot of hydration. I can definitely say that whenever I apply it in the night, the next morning, my skin is definitely softer, a lot supple, and just so easy and nice, you know. And that is the reason why I love this product so much. So now talking about the packaging and price, you can see it's a sturdy one. Even if you like literally throw it, it is not going to break. I have tried. It does not break. It does not break. I'm kidding. It fell down. It didn't break. Yeah, price wise, it is 70 ml tub, and I got it for 1850 rupees from Nykaa, which is a little expensive, definitely a lot expensive, but totally worth it. Don't even think about it. Please save up and just buy this one. It is totally worth it. Now the only drawback, if I have to really pinpoint to, is that it's a tub and not a tube. And you guys know how much I love the tube. Tub is a little problematic, but given the product, it's okay. I'm going to wash my hands twice before using it, but I love it so much. I am going to use it for sure. I told you guys I got it from Nykaa, right? I got a surprise. I went to buy this. I just put it in the cart and I saw that they had 3 samples of other products from Laneige, and I'm going to show you guys what these products are also. Wait. So I got these 3 little cuties for free when I bought this sleeping mask. They had some running offer and I was just so happy because I also wanted to try other products, but since they are so expensive, I just didn't want to buy anything randomly. I have not used them so much to exactly tell you how these products really are. I've been using them since a week or 10 days now, so I can't really say how good or bad they are, but I can definitely share my first impression. The first sample that I got is Cleansing Moist Cream Cleanser. Now it is made from Meadow Farm seed oil. Okay, so I used it and I can say that it didn't really suit me because I'll tell you why. I have an allergy. So anything with soap and foam, it does not suit me. I just start sneezing and my nose just becomes bad. I only can use gel based cleanser. So maybe because of that it just didn't suit me. So of course, if you are not allergic to foam or soap, then please go ahead and try it. So yeah, I mean, it didn't really do that well to me. Okay, so the second sample is Laneige White Skin Refiner. This is a substitute to toner. This is a toner, I think. A skin refiner is a toner, I think. I read about it before applying it. So you wash your face with a cleanser and then you directly go to the skin refiner. So it's very hydrating, guys. I think all the products, you know, they make are very hydrating. So it's a very creamy toner, which makes it so hydrating. So I really like it. The last sample and my favorite is Laneige Water Bank Hydro Essence. It's an essence which you apply after the skin refiner, and this one is very good. I think this one I'm definitely going to buy. And then I go to the sleeping mask. I also apply it on my lips because so hydrating. You apply this after this, gold. Okay guys, so that was my review about Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Since the beginning of the video, you guys have already understood I love this product and I highly recommend it to all of you, irrespective of your skin type. So please go ahead and use it, and definitely buy it from Nykaa because you might just end up getting a lot of samples for free like I did. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope it helps you guys, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love.